Building an audience around your niche can be a challenging task, but with the right tips and tricks, it is definitely achievable. In this video, we will explore various strategies that can help you build a strong and engaged audience around your niche. So, let's dive in. The first step in building an audience around your niche is to clearly define your niche. Understand what kind of content you want to produce and what kind of audience you are targeting. Once you have defined your niche, it becomes easier to tailor your content according to the preferences of your audience. Creating high-quality content is the key to building a loyal and engaged audience. Make sure your content is engaging, informative, and adds value to your audience. Use proper visuals, incorporate storytelling, and keep a consistent tone throughout your content. Choosing the right platforms to promote your content is crucial to building an audience around your niche. Identify which social media platforms your target audience uses the most and focus on building your presence on those platforms. Whether it's Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, or Twitter, make sure you are providing value to your audience on each platform. Engaging with your audience is an excellent way to build a loyal following. Respond to comments and messages, ask for feedback and suggestions, and create a conversation that involves your audience. Make your audience feel like they are part of your journey and they will become your loyal advocates. Consistency is key when it comes to building an audience around your niche. Make sure you are consistently producing high-quality content and posting frequently. This will help you gain traction and build your brand over time. Building an audience around your niche is a long-term process that requires dedication, hard work, and patience. However, with the right strategies and mindset, you can make it happen. So, keep experimenting, learn from your mistakes, and stay focused on your goals.